Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today showing you how to check which version of Microsoft.NET is installed. For the most part, Windows 10 and even Windows 7 will update and download it as needed, but if you want to check if that's a problem where you're missing it or you just need to know, let's do it. So we can do this in Command Prompt or PowerShell, in the registry, and as a third-party app. And actually, a lot of the registry code actually pulls, I'll show you in a minute, the registry stuff. So you probably pretty much just want to jump to Command Prompt or PowerShell. Let's open PowerShell, Windows key plus X, run it as admin, right there, and highlight this code on the page, which will be linked to in the video. A little eye up here, you can click that to follow through and get this because it's a lot of code. Let's just highlight all that, right click and click copy. Press Control V in PowerShell, then press enter. And there you can see right here, client, full client, and I just installed 3.5, so while it did that, it must have installed 2.0 and 3 while it was at it. So it's not necessarily that clear. Now in Command Prompt or PowerShell, we can use this code, meaning if you open PowerShell, you can go ahead and just run this as well, either or. Let me show you how it looks so you can decide what works for you. Control V. And as you can see, you're going to get a lot more information. This right here, HKey local machine, software, blah, blah, blah. That means it's reading the registry. And I'm going to show you how that works in just a minute, because we're going to look at this right here as we work our way through it. So just for kicks, let's do the Command Prompt, CMD, run as administrator, Control V, same exact thing you just saw in PowerShell. So again, this code, and it's repeated here, work for either or, and that gives you a simpler reading. Let's jump to the registry. Highlight this code right here in bold. Press the Windows key plus R and type in regedit. That's R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Press the enter key or click on OK. Clear this out. Press Control V. Press enter. And as you can see, here we are in the NDP. This is showing us all the different versions of Microsoft.NET. So there's 2.0, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.0. So if I want to know exactly which version of 3.5 is installed, I can look right here. 3.5, 307.29, 4926. If you can't see this for some reason, double click on version, and there you go. Version 4, sometimes you'll have client and full. There's your version for client, 480, 4161, and it's the same for full. And basically, as you might have noticed, this is literally what you saw in that larger text rolling by, where it's looking at this and it's pulling you all this information, which is why you have so many different lines that you're looking at. See what I mean? So that's why one or the other works better for you. Now, last but not least is the possibility of a third-party app. If you don't like using the Command Prompt, you don't want to play around the registry, which is very safe to do up there. You didn't change anything. You're just pulling information. You can download .NET Framework Version Checker. The link is right here. So you go ahead and click that. That'll open this page. Click on Download Now, and you'll have it on your computer in a matter of seconds. This is a free and portable app. That means there's no adware, no bundleware, no installation, no uninstallation. Let me show you. Here it is right here. Download it. Let's double click it. You're done. There's all the versions I have installed. It's kind of neat because it's a little cleaner than everything else we've done. And the beauty of it is, now that you know what you have, if that works for you, and you're done with it, as I mentioned, no install, uninstall, click delete. There you go. My arms are in the air. Done. You don't have to deal with it anymore. It's gone. You got your information. Blah, blah, blah. Whew, there you have it. And that's how you check which version of Microsoft.NET is installed. Bottom right-hand corner, Major Geeks logo. You click on that. You click subscribe. We always appreciate that. And once again, don't forget that little eye up here will give you, I hope I'm clicking there, somewhere around here. You click on that. You can jump to Major Geeks and this page directly to get all this code, to get the download links, whatever you need. There you have it. As always, we appreciate you watching. Have a great day. See ya.